I used to believe that if I just worked hard enough, kept showing up to my 9 to 5 and played it safe, everything would work out. But what I didn't realize was that I wasn't building wealth, I was building comfort. And comfort, while it feels good, can quietly kill your financial future. Today I want to share the mindset shift that changed everything for me, choosing progress over perfection. This single idea transformed how I approach money and life, and it might just do the same for you. Let me take you back to how things used to be. I had just one source of income, my regular 9 to 5 job. Every month money would come in, bills would go out, and a little bit would stay behind as savings. I felt responsible, like I was doing everything right. But the truth was I wasn't financially free. I was financially dependent on one employer, one paycheck, one system. And if that system failed, so did I. It's a risky way to live, even if it feels safe on the surface. I thought I was being smart by keeping most of my money in a cash ISA. It felt safe, stable, and protected. But what I didn't see was that inflation was quietly eating away at my purchasing power. Money that just sits still isn't growing, it's actually losing strength. Safety felt good, but there was no growth. I was missing out on opportunities to build real wealth, all because I was too focused on avoiding risk. Here, the embarrassing part, I didn't even track my spending. I thought I knew where my money went, but thinking isn't the same as knowing. I'd swipe my card, tap Apple Pay, make small purchases here and there, and at the end of the month, I'd wonder where it all went. I wasn't bad with money, I was just unaware. And ignorance when it comes to your finances can be very expensive. And one day, something hit me. It wasn't a lottery win or a big promotion. It was a simple realization: perfection was keeping me stuck. I was always waiting to know enough before investing, waiting to earn more before starting a side hustle, waiting for the perfect time to make a move. But perfect never came, so I made a decision not to be perfect but to make progress. That shift changed everything. I realized that waiting for the perfect moment was just an excuse. I didn't need to know everything or have everything lined up. What I needed was to start making progress, even if it was messy or imperfect. The truth is, progress compounds over time. Small steps taken consistently can lead to big changes. That's when I decided to focus on progress over perfection in every area of my financial life. First big shift was setting clear financial goals. Instead of just saying, I want to be rich, I got specific. I set targets like wanting £50,000 invested, building 3 income streams, covering half my expenses with investments, and aiming for financial independence by age 40. Clarity creates direction. When you don't set goals, you drift. But when you have targets, you move with intention. Money needs a mission to grow. I realized that wealthy people don't rely on just one income source, they build options, so I started small. I explored freelance work, looked into digital income, studied investing, and learned about assets versus liabilities. At first, it was messy. I didn't know everything, but progress compounds. One stream turned into two, two into three, and suddenly my 9 to 5 wasn't my lifeline, it was just one piece of the puzzle. That's real freedom. Building multiple streams of income doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with something small, a side gig, a freelance project, or a digital product. The key is to take action even if you're unsure. Over time, these small streams can grow and provide real security. You're no longer dependent on just one paycheck, and that's a powerful feeling. As I explored new income streams, I started learning about the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket while liabilities take money out. Understanding this simple concept helped me make smarter decisions about where to put my time and money. It's not about being perfect, it's about making progress and learning as you go. Investing was the hardest mindset shift for me. I was afraid of losing money, so I kept waiting for the perfect time to start. But then I realized that not investing is also a risk, so I began with small, regular amounts monthly consistently. I stopped trying to time the market and focused on discipline. Consistency beats intensity, and investing isn't about being a genius, it's about being patient. What I learned is that investing isn't about making one big, perfect move. It's about making small, consistent contributions over time. Even if you start with a tiny amount, the habit of investing regularly is what builds wealth. Over time, your money starts working for you, and that's when everything changes. As I kept investing, I saw something incredible happen. My money started working for me. Instead of trading hours for income, I owned assets that generated growth. This was a huge shift from working for money to having money work for me. It's a slow process, but it's worth it. The earlier you start, the more powerful the results. Here, what most people get wrong: they think wealthy people are perfect with money, but they're not. They just take action sooner. They don't wait to understand everything, they learn while moving. That's the real secret: progress over perfection. You don't need the perfect strategy, salary, or timing. You need momentum. Start moving and you'll learn along the way. You don't need the perfect plan to get started. In fact, waiting for perfection is what keeps most people stuck. The most important thing is to take action, even if it's small or imperfect. Over time, those small actions add up to big results. Progress is what builds wealth, not perfection. If you're still living the old way, one income, money sitting still, no tracking, no goals, that's okay. That was me too. The important thing is to recognize where you are and decide to make a change. It's never too late to start moving toward financial freedom. Small steps taken consistently can change your future. One of the simplest ways to begin is by tracking your money. Know exactly where your income goes each month. This awareness alone can help you make better decisions and spot opportunities to save or invest. It's not about being perfect, it's about being aware and intentional with your finances. Don't overwhelm yourself with a dozen goals. Start with just one clear financial goal. Maybe it's saving a certain amount, paying off debt, or investing a small sum each month. Having a single focus makes it easier to take action and see progress. Once you achieve that goal, you can set another. Take a look at your skills and interests. Is there a way to earn a little extra on the side? Maybe it's freelancing, selling a product, or offering a service. You don't have to quit your job, just try something new. Even a small side income can make a big difference over time. Start investing a small amount consistently, even if it feels insignificant at first. The habit of regular investing is more important than the amount. Over time, your investments will grow and you'll build confidence in your ability to manage money. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Financial freedom isn't built in one perfect move, it's built in small, imperfect actions repeated over time. Each step you take, no matter how minor it seems, brings you closer to your goals. Don't underestimate the power of small, consistent progress. You don't have to get everything right from the start. In fact, you'll make mistakes along the way, and that's okay. What matters is that you keep moving forward. Over time, those imperfect actions add up to real results. Progress is always better than perfection. Once you start taking action, you build momentum. Each small win gives you confidence to take the next step. Momentum is what keeps you moving, even when things get tough. The more you do, the easier it becomes to keep going. That's how real change happens. You don't need to have all the answers before you start. The best way to learn is by doing. As you take action, you'll gain experience and knowledge that you can't get from books or videos alone. Don't let fear of the unknown hold you back, just start and learn along the way. Fear of making mistakes or losing money can be paralyzing. But the truth is, not taking action is often the bigger risk. Every successful person has faced setbacks and failures. What sets them apart is their willingness to keep going, learn, and adapt. Don't let fear stop you from making progress. As you take small steps and see results, your confidence will grow. You'll start to trust yourself with money and feel more in control of your financial future. Confidence comes from action, not from waiting until you feel ready. The more you do, the more capable you become. Keep track of your progress no matter how small. Celebrate your wins and use setbacks as learning opportunities. Seeing your growth over time can be incredibly motivating and help you stay committed to your goals. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. As you move forward, take time to review your progress and adjust your approach if needed. Life changes and so do your goals. Being flexible and willing to adapt is key to long-term success. Don't be afraid to change your strategy as you learn more about what works for you. Every step forward is worth celebrating. Whether it's saving your first £100, landing a freelance gig, or making your first investment, acknowledge your progress. These small wins build momentum and keep you motivated to keep going. It's easy to compare your progress to others, but everyone's journey is different. Focus on your own goals and celebrate your unique path. Comparison can steal your joy and make you feel like you're not doing enough. Remember, progress is personal. No one gets everything right the first time. Embrace the messiness of learning and growing. Mistakes are part of the process and they help you get better. Don't let the pursuit of perfection stop you from taking action. Progress is what matters most. Small actions repeated consistently have a powerful compounding effect. Over time, your efforts add up and create significant results. This is true for saving, investing, and building new income streams. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compounding growth. The ultimate goal is financial independence, having enough income from your investments and side hustles to cover your expenses. This gives you freedom and security and allows you to make choices based on what you want, not just what you need. It's a journey, but every step brings you closer. Your mindset is the foundation of your financial journey. Believing that you can improve, learn, and grow is essential. A growth mindset helps you overcome setbacks and stay motivated. Remember, progress over perfection. Keep moving forward no matter what. The hardest part is often just getting started. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the first step today. Whether it's tracking your spending, setting a goal, or making a small investment, action is what creates change. Your future self will thank you for starting now. Mistakes are inevitable, but they're also valuable learning opportunities. Don't be discouraged by setbacks, instead, use them to get better. Every mistake teaches you something new and brings you closer to your goals. Keep going and don't let fear of failure hold you back. Success with money is about building good habits, tracking spending, saving regularly, investing consistently, and seeking new opportunities. Habits make progress automatic and sustainable. Focus on building one habit at a time and watch your results compound. Motivation can fade, but discipline keeps you moving forward. Find ways to stay inspired, read success stories, join a community, or set up reminders of your goals. Remember why you started and keep your vision in mind. Progress is a journey, not a sprint. You don't have to do this alone. Seek support from friends, family, or online communities. Sharing your goals and progress can help you stay accountable and motivated. Learning from others' experiences can also give you new ideas and inspiration. Take time to look back at how far you've come. Reflect on your progress, celebrate your achievements, and identify areas for improvement. Regularly reviewing your journey helps you stay focused and motivated to keep moving forward. Life is unpredictable and your financial journey will have ups and downs. Be willing to adapt your plans as circumstances change. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Stay open to new opportunities and keep your focus on progress. Keep your long-term vision in mind even when progress feels slow. Building wealth and financial freedom takes time, but every step you take brings you closer. Stay patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. Your future self will thank you. Trust that your efforts will pay off even if you don't see immediate results. Progress isn't always visible day to day, but over time, the changes add up. Keep showing up, keep taking action, and believe in your ability to create a better financial future. Imagine your future self looking back at the choices you make today. Every small, imperfect action you take now is a gift to your future. Financial freedom isn't built overnight, it's built through consistent, intentional progress. Start today and your future self will thank you. To wrap up, remember this: progress over perfection. You don't need to have it all figured out to start building wealth. Take small steps, stay consistent, and focus on moving forward. Over time, those steps will lead to real financial freedom. Your journey is unique and every bit of progress counts. Start today and trust that you're on the right path.